Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Toshiba portable air conditioner is running but not blowing cold air, it can be really frustrating, especially when you expect instant cooling but only feel warm or room temperature air. Many users assume the unit is broken, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like incorrect settings, airflow blockage, or maintenance-related problems. Portable AC units rely on proper ventilation and clean filters to cool effectively, and even a small issue can reduce performance. The good part is that with a few quick checks and fixes, you can get your Toshiba AC cooling properly again without needing professional repair. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the unit is set to cool mode, not fan or dry. Step 2. Lower the temperature setting below room temperature. Step 3. Clean the air filter and vents to improve airflow. Step 4. Check the exhaust hose is properly connected and not blocked. Step 5. Empty the water tank if it's full. Step 6. Restart the unit and test cooling performance.